Hi, today I'm making stir-fried prawns with garlic chives. I use frozen prawns and garlic chives that I grow in my garden. The garlic chives or Chinese chives is easy to grow and I've been growing it for the past year. It will die off during winter and will grow again in spring. Hi, I'm Loretta Lee from Nyonya Recipe. Nyonya Recipe is a fine place for fabulous food and I share with you my food journey. If you're new to my channel, hi, nice to see you. If you're a returning viewer, nice to see you again. So let's go and make today's dish. This is a simple and delicious recipe. The chives need a good wash. It is easier to use a basin of water and shake the chive stems to remove any dirt that stays between the leaves. Remove the brown leaves and the bits that stick to the stem. Use plenty of water. Cut the garlic into thin strips or slivers. Chop the chili, cut it finely. Remove the seeds if you wish. Cut the chives to 5 to 6 cm length or about 1 inch plus. I have with me about 100 to 200 grams of prawns peeled. I use frozen ones. If you are using fresh prawns, please make sure that the weight is the peeled weight. You can use up to 200 grams of prawns if you wish to have more prawns in the dish. Season with salt and pepper. I've added some chopped ginger, about 1 teaspoon, which I have in my fridge. I've added half a carrot cut into fine strips like the size of the chives. This is to give it a bit of color. So we're now ready to cook. Spray the pan with some oil. You can use 1 tablespoon of the oil if you're not counting your calories. When the pan is hot, add in the garlic. Give it a toss. Toss until it is lightly colored. Add in the ginger and toss. Then add in the carrot and fry for a minute or so as it is harder than the chives. Then add in the chilies, the prawns, and toss until the shrimp or the prawns changes color. Add in the chives, stems first, and toss. The prawns takes 5 to 7 minutes to cook, so it's a very quick dish. After about a minute, add the rest of the chives. Add a swirl of soy sauce and some seasoning. I'm using seasoning instead of salt. You can use salt if you want. Now add a swirl of sesame oil to give the extra fragrance. Give it another toss. Now I'm adding a bit of salt because the seasoning is not as salty. Toss until the chive is slightly wilted, because this is a very delicate vegetable and we don't want to overcook it. It's wilted and so it's ready and we're plating it up now. Season it with some white pepper and it's now ready to be enjoyed. So let's try it. Let me see. The prawn is crunchy. It's not hard, it's just nicely cooked. And the ginger gives it a bit of heat. And the chive is still crispy. Goes well with rice. So I'm trying it with rice. It's got chili padi and it's a bit hot. It's good. It's crunchy. And the prawns is crunchy, it's not overcooked. Yummy, yummy. I hope you enjoy watching me making this very easy stir-fried chives or garlic chives or Chinese chive we call it. So until the next time, I'm Loretta Lee, Nyonya Recipe. Nyonya Recipe is a fine place for fabulous food, and I share with you my food journey. So if you want more easy recipes, click here. And I've also got some travel recipes, and I've also got some travel tales which you can click here. Bye then, see you, bye.